Look up at the night sky. Above us, a vast ocean of stars stretches endlessly, each one a distant sun, each a beacon of possibility. The universe feels infinite, mysterious, and full of secrets waiting to be discovered. For millennia, humanity has wondered, are we alone? This question has echoed through the ages, whispered around campfires, carved into stone, and written in the stars themselves. Our ancestors gazed upward, searching for meaning, for connection, for signs that we are not the only ones to dream beneath this cosmic canopy. What lies beyond our world? What mysteries are hidden in the darkness between the stars? With every new discovery, our curiosity only grows, urging us to look further, to reach higher, to imagine what might be out there. This curiosity drove our ancestors to explore Earth, to cross oceans, climb mountains, and map the unknown. Today, that same spirit compels us to reach for the stars, to send our machines and one day, ourselves into the vastness of space. Among all the worlds in our solar system, Mars has captured our imagination like no other. It glows red in our night sky, a constant reminder of a neighbor both familiar and alien. The red planet, with its polar ice caps, shifting seasons and ancient riverbeds, whispers of a time when water, and maybe life, once flowed across its surface. Its landscapes are both haunting and beautiful, echoing the deserts and canyons of our own world. Could life have existed there? Did Mars once harbor tiny organisms, clinging to survival in its ancient lakes and rivers? These questions drive scientists to search for clues in every rock and grain of Martian soil. Could it still exist, hidden beneath the surface, in underground lakes or sheltered caves? The possibility of life, past or present, fuels our desire to explore further, to dig deeper, to uncover Mars's secrets. These questions aren't just science fiction. They're fundamental to understanding our place in the universe. They challenge us to rethink what it means to be alive and what it means to be human. By studying Mars, we learn not just about another planet, but about Earth's own story and the fragile conditions that make life possible. Mars is a mirror, reflecting both our hopes and our fears for the future of our own world. Our robotic explorers, rovers, landers, orbiters, are our eyes and hands on Mars, gathering clues and paving the way for future human footsteps. Each mission is a step forward, a testament to our ingenuity and determination. Each mission builds on the last, bringing us closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone? With every landing, every sample, every image sent back, we move closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. The universe is calling, and we are explorers at heart. Our journey to Mars is not just about science, it's about hope, about adventure, about the unbreakable human spirit that refuses to stop dreaming. Mars is our next great adventure. It challenges us to push the boundaries of what's possible, to imagine a future where humans walk on another world, and to inspire generations yet to come. The journey has already begun. With every rover that rolls across the Martian soil, with every question we ask, we take another step toward the stars, and toward understanding ourselves. Enter Perseverance, the most advanced robotic geologist ever sent to another world. This remarkable rover is not just a machine, it's a testament to decades of scientific progress and the dreams of countless engineers, scientists, and visionaries who dared to imagine exploring Mars up close. Launched by NASA, Perseverance is more than a machine. It's a symbol of human ingenuity and determination. Its journey began on Earth, but its mission is to unlock the secrets of another planet, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. Its mission, bold and ambitious, is to search for signs of ancient life in Jezero Crater, a place that was once a lake fed by a winding river. Billions of years ago, water carved channels and deposited sediments here, creating an environment that may have been perfect for life to thrive. If life ever existed on Mars, its traces might be locked in the rocks of this ancient delta. Perseverance is equipped with cutting-edge instruments to analyze these rocks, searching for organic molecules and chemical fingerprints that could reveal Mars' hidden history. But Perseverance is also a trailblazer for future human missions, testing revolutionary technologies like MOXIE, which produces oxygen from the thin Martian atmosphere. This experiment is a crucial step toward supporting astronauts on Mars one day, turning science fiction into reality. Every experiment, every data point, helps us prepare for the day humans set foot on Mars. The information Perseverance sends back is invaluable, guiding future explorers and helping us understand how to survive and thrive on the red planet. Think of Perseverance as our scientific scout, carrying the hopes and dreams of everyone who's ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what lies beyond. It's a bridge between worlds, connecting our curiosity with the mysteries of Mars. Its discoveries will shape the future of exploration, providing clues about Mars's past and paving the way for new missions. Each sample collected is a piece of a puzzle that could change our understanding of life in the universe. The rover's journey is our journey. As Perseverance explores, it brings us all along for the ride, inspiring a new generation to dream bigger and reach farther. It's searching for Mars' past and charting humanity's future among the stars. Each day, Perseverance moves us closer to becoming a multiplanetary species. Perseverance is proof that our drive to explore knows no bounds. With every wheel turn and every discovery, it reminds us that the spirit of exploration is alive and well, lighting the way to new worlds. Perseverance is a marvel of engineering, built to survive and thrive on Mars. Its core is protected from brutal Martian cold, riding on 6 rugged wheels with a suspension system that conquers rocky terrain. Powered by a nuclear battery, it works day and night, unaffected by dust storms or darkness. Its scientific arsenal includes high-resolution cameras, a robotic arm with tools to analyze rocks, and even ground-penetrating radar. Perseverance also carried MOXIE, which makes oxygen from Mars air, and the Ingenuity helicopter, a first for another planet. Every part of this rover is designed for one purpose: to explore Mars like never before. Perseverance's journey began with a thunderous launch from Earth, riding atop a powerful Atlas V rocket that pierced the morning sky. The ground trembled as engines roared to life, sending the spacecraft on its historic voyage toward Mars. This moment marked the beginning of an extraordinary interplanetary adventure, fueled by years of planning and human ingenuity. The timing had to be perfect. Earth and Mars aligned in a rare cosmic window, allowing for the shortest and most efficient trip possible. Scientists and engineers waited patiently for this precise moment, when the two planets were close enough to make the journey feasible. For 7 long months, the spacecraft cruised through the vast emptiness of deep space, guided by tiny but crucial course corrections from mission control back on Earth. Each adjustment kept Perseverance on its precise path, ensuring it would reach its distant target. The cruise stage was Perseverance's lifeline, providing power, communication, and protection from the harsh environment of space. It kept the rover healthy, safe, and ready for the challenges ahead, acting as a guardian on this long journey. As Mars loomed ever closer, the cruise stage completed its mission and detached, leaving Perseverance to face the red planet alone. The spacecraft was now on its own, prepared for the most critical phase of its odyssey. After traveling nearly 300 million miles across the solar system, Perseverance was finally at the doorstep of Mars. But the real challenge was just beginning, the daunting task of landing safely on the Martian surface. The long voyage across the void of space was complete, but the mission's fate now hung in the balance. Now, Perseverance had to survive the most dangerous 7 minutes of its mission: entry, descent, and landing. Every second would test the limits of technology and human determination as the world watched and waited for a safe arrival on Mars. Landing on Mars is a high-stakes, fully autonomous performance, what NASA calls the 7 minutes of terror. The rover hit the Martian atmosphere at 13,000 miles per hour, protected by a heat shield that endured temperatures hotter than lava. A massive supersonic parachute deployed, slowing the descent, but not enough. Perseverance used radar and cameras to pick a safe landing spot, a leap forward in landing technology. In the final moments, a rocket-powered sky crane gently lowered the rover to the surface. The sky crane cut its tethers and flew away, leaving Perseverance safely on Mars. The landing was a flawless symphony of engineering. Perseverance was home. Each Martian day, or sol, Perseverance wakes, checks its health, and gets to work. It captures panoramic images, drives cautiously across the landscape, and uses its instruments to study rocks and soil. The rover's robotic arm examines targets up close, searching for signs of ancient life. Weather stations and ground-penetrating radar gather data about Mars' environment and subsurface. At day's end, Perseverance transmits its findings back to Earth, then powers down to survive the frigid night. Every sol brings new discoveries and new questions. The adventure continues, one Martian day at a time. Perseverance carried a tiny passenger, Ingenuity, the first helicopter to fly on another planet. In Mars' thin atmosphere, powered flight seemed nearly impossible. On April 19, 2021, Ingenuity rose, hovered, and landed, a historic first. This was humanity's Wright brothers' moment on Mars. Ingenuity's success led to more flights, scouting terrain, and helping Perseverance plan its route. Its aerial perspective revealed Mars in ways never seen before. Ingenuity proved that flight is possible on other worlds. Future missions may use fleets of drones to explore where rovers can't go. Ingenuity opened the skies of Mars and changed exploration forever. Perseverance's most ambitious task is collecting Martian rock and soil samples for return to Earth. Using a robotic drill, it extracts cores, seals them in ultra-clean tubes, and stores them safely. These samples are a time capsule, waiting for a future mission to bring them home. By analyzing them on Earth, scientists could unlock secrets about Mars' history and the potential for life. Perseverance will create a depot of samples on the surface, ensuring they're safe for retrieval. This is science for the next generation, a gift to the future. These rocks may one day rewrite our understanding of the solar system. Perseverance is more than a machine, it's a symbol of what humanity can achieve. Its discoveries inspire new generations to dream of exploring other worlds. By searching for life, making oxygen, and testing new technologies, Perseverance is building the foundation for human missions to Mars. The Mars Sample Return campaign will shape the next decade of exploration. Perseverance's story is one of collaboration, hope, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. As it roves across Jezero Crater, it carries the curiosity of all humankind. Perseverance is our scout, our pioneer, and our promise that the journey to the stars has only just begun. The adventure continues.